hello, hello, hello. Yo, what's up, bro? It's my first time streaming trading. It's gonna be interesting for sure. I need to get a thumbnail because it just has that. When I looked at it, it was just that gray screen. DNice. All right. Yeah, I can see it. I have it. I have it pulled up on my phone. Yo, Jason, you take any trades yet? I'm in a long on gold. I longed it like. I'm in this. Basically, stop is at that low. I'm targeting up here. I think it's like right here. Yeah, I took an L on gold this morning. You longed it? Did this take you out right here? I want to short Bitcoin, but I think I don't know. Nas looks like it's gonna go higher, but Bitcoin looks like it's gonna go lower. Yeah, I was longing. Yeah, that wick down. Take everything off. What time is it there for you? I can't remember where you're from. Kind of like to see it take this high first. Take that high and then like reject and drop. That'd be nice. And then we got New York opening 3 minutes. Yeah. This is the only trade I'm in. I shorted Bitcoin and it stopped me, so I lost one. I only take 4 trades a day, so if this one loses, that'll be 2. I'm tripping. My stop loss looks so big. I swear earlier you said it was. Yeah, basically it's over here. New York Open ain't been so great for me. Yeah, New York Open is interesting. Yeah, it's weird. Because it didn't close above here, so. Why is it not dragging? Oh, okay. So this is kind of like the range that we're in. And then before kind of closing 30 minutes. This range is pretty big. I'd like to see this low stay intact. Like I don't want a close below here. That shit probably stopping me. this is clearly bullish. Bit jumping. Dang. Oh, okay. Oof. Oh shoot. Good morning, Derek. I'm weak. Good morning. Derek gonna be weak. Yeah, I didn't look at Bitcoin because it didn't close above that swing high. What's copper doing? Gold tanking. Oh god, that bitch just melted. What's copper doing? Let me see. What time frame? This is the daily, weekly, monthly. It looks like it's gonna go higher. Just the yearly on it. So nice overall. Looks like it's trending up. It's been kind of choppy right here, but yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna just assume I'm gonna get stopped. Think it's going for 4-hour yield liquidity. We out here. Yo, Sebastian, what's up, bro? Yeah, you talking about down here? It might. I wouldn't be surprised. Of course, Bitcoin took me out and now it's dropping. Yeah, we wicked that high. Of course. Of course. My stop was right here. Yeah. Yeah, I had shorted. Where is it? I shorted it based on the 5. We had closed here. I shorted it right. I shorted it here. Had my stop here. And then I was targeting here. Yeah. Yeah, it's hilarious. Did gold take me out? No? Okay. Not yet, at least. It's a mean wick. Bro, that's hilarious. If we close below here, I'm gonna short it again. Yeah, because the hourly's bearish. Yeah, it's comical. I should love when that happens. Like, what is this? What is this? Also, this is not financial advice. So don't just take my trades because I take them. My win rate isn't that high. It's like 30 to 40%. Recently, it's been probably like 25%. But I usually target like 4R, so I really just need to win 1 out of 4 trades a day, and I'm chilling. Okay. Nice wick. That wick is crazy. You ain't really doing nothing. I feel like EU's gonna go higher, but I'm probably not gonna touch it. Yo. Yo, what's up, bro? You taking any trades yet? I also decided to, I don't trade until 8 a.m. So I didn't take any trades before the Bitcoin short that I took here. And then the gold long that I'm in now that I'm just going to assume is going to get stopped. I shorted Bitcoin. Wait, can I say that? I think you can. I think so. You should be able to. You want to look it up real quick? Cause I don't know if I'm allowed to cuss. I think I can. This is hilarious. Where'd you short it from? Your stop probably big as hell. Yeah, this shit must have stopped my ass. Because the hourly's still a downtrend, but I wanted it to push up because the 15 shifted up and then retraced. So I thought it was gonna push higher again. Obviously I was wrong. And I don't have a stop. All right. Not having a stop is crazy. EU and gold have been moving like very similar. It's interesting. I'm gonna come show you in a minute. All right. You probably got something like this. Oh, my bad, that's gold. You probably got like, take this off. You probably got like something like this. We just stop here. That's probably what I'm assuming you got. You got something like that, and then you ain't got no TP. That actually wouldn't be a bad short. I wouldn't take it because the risk to reward, but I mean two is not bad. That would not be a bad short. I really want this 4-hour candle to close as an up candle. That's crazy. I'm just saying your stop losses be big as hell. Yeah, I don't want it to close below here. If it closes below here, like I said, which it looks like it's going to, it still has time. Like it could easily, especially because it's gold, this could end up closing up here or something. But yeah, I don't want to close below there. How's the audio sound? Do I need to use my other mic, babe? Anybody have any pairs they want me to look at? It's good. Hey, mom. Appreciate y'all hopping in the stream. It's my first time trading live. I've traded live for like in groups and stuff, you know, like on Zoom, but never on like an actual like public platform before. Is there any news? Nope. News already came out. News came out and it did nothing. Literally nothing. What was it? Am I tripping? Where's the actual at? The hell? Is this time different? Oh, it is. Oh, so it didn't come out yet. Ah, so it comes out at 10. Oof. Yeah. Using my Google browser. Posture check. Oh. Is that better? Let me see. Just lean back. Sheesh. That wig. Yeah, that shit finna stop me. Sheesh. And that is exactly why I wait for closes, because of stuff like that. Yep. Us. Sheesh. Wait, yep. What's Naz doing? News in 19 minutes. Why is it on that time? It makes a lot more sense. I was like, news at 9 a.m. is weird, but okay. I was so confused. And then, what's the filter at? No one cares about these. I don't really care about the orange either, but I'm gonna just leave it on there. Okay, so 8:15. Dang, there's a lot of news tomorrow. Is it all U.S.? No, let me see. Filter that too. Oh, okay. So 2. Stop me yet? Yep. Wait, did it? Did it take that low? Okay, not yet. Let me see. Make sure I actually didn't get stuck. Oh, yep, not yet. It's definitely gonna stop me though. Let me see. Yeah, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, so we have news every day of the week for the rest of the week. Yeah. News in 16? Yeah, 16 minutes. Let me see. Job creation is an important leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for the majority of overall economic activity. Number of job openings. the last one. Oh, 15-minute closed. Yeah, it's definitely gonna take that low. Did it take it? It definitely took it. Let me see if I can stop. Most likely it did. Oh, it didn't take me out. Okay. Need that. Oh, it's actually a little lower. It's still probably gonna get stopped. Let's see. It's like right there. Yeah. Oh yeah. There we yeah. Okay, I guess it wasn't that low. It was like right here. Alright, yeah. So we 0-2, we lit. You love to see it. Alright. Yes, we have news in 14 minutes. Not buying gold till we hit that. Yeah, yeah. I'd definitely wait too. Yeah, because I was like, if it's not gonna push from right here, then it's definitely gonna go lower. I really want to short Bitcoin, but I don't want to force it. Yeah, we just tapped into it. Gonna wait for MSS. Village Monte, how are you doing? Which form of MSS do you use? Do you use the fair value gap one, or do you use like closing above like a high? Or do you use the order block one? Because I know Kish teaches like hella different ones. Ooh. Does YouTube have like emotes that you can make? Yes, sir. Yo, what's up, bro? Yeah, cause if YouTube got emotes you can make, I need to make a yawning one. So I'm probably gonna be yawning hella on these. Boy, getting the miles in type shit. Are there custom emotes though? Do you know? This news is gonna be interesting. Oh, so you can? Shit, say less. I'm gonna have to do that. Yo, Timothy, what's up, bro? I'm gonna have to do that. Definitely gonna make a Yanni emote, cause yeah, bro, this is hilarious. This is hilarious. How big? Let me see. Cause I do think Bitcoin's gonna go through here. Through here. I think it's gonna go through here. So I can have a decent stop. Nothing insane, but okay, yeah, that's not too big. Yeah. As long as it doesn't stay in this range it's in, that should be fairly easy for it to reach into. Yeah, for sure. Okay, yeah. I usually prefer to use the 15-minute because the 5-minute be playing too much. It's just more likely to get into trades earlier than getting them too early. Nice to see you in person, man. Awesome job, man. Keep it going. We'll support you. Hey, appreciate that, bro. I appreciate it. It's just interesting. Trading live is interesting. It's different from gaming. I'm just sitting here looking at these charts. Did you take anything yet? Custom emotes are for memberships only. Is that so similar to like subs on Twitch, I'm gonna assume? I mean, I probably gotta get monetized first. Oh yeah, make sure y'all like the stream and make sure y'all subscribe if y'all haven't already. I'm gonna try to stream every day for like an hour or two, but you know, sometimes I won't be able to. Yeah, so close below here, I'm shorting it. If we close below here, I'm gonna set a sell limit at this low, and then basically just everyone do that, and then target down here, which is yeah, basically exiting this range. But if we don't, I'm not gonna do anything. Oh, uploading your own YouTube emotes is only enabled for streamers who are part of the YouTube Partner Program, which allows people to become paid members of your YouTube channel. Okay, all good here. Thanks. You can hear. You can hear her. Yeah. Yeah, I might need to use the other mic because the voice isn't the cleanest. Yeah. So for the partner program, I think I believe I only need 1,000 subscribers. Yeah. Yeah. Just 1,000. 1,000. Nothing insane. Yo, Jason, you here still, bro? What which form of MSS were you talking about? And on what time frame?
What? You wanna?
Well, I mostly use order blocks, but I still pay attention. Use the Kish type order blocks. It's like the ones where it closed below low. So like
You want daddy?
so like here basically.
She's like, I want dada.
Here you go. Do we have any protein bars there?
I don't think
I
so.
don't think so. Yeah.
Dada.
Yeah. Yeah, you want some juice?
Take your juice.
This boy not streaming?
Yes, he is.
Uh-uh.
Don't. Yes, you're on the stream. He's
Yeah.
streaming.
Uh-uh.
Yes, he is.
Why is he looking at that?
He's.
Girl, relax.
He's streaming himself trading.
That's not trading. That's looking at what the weather's gonna be.
The weather.
That is not the weather,
That's
man.
not the weather. Okay, y'all, come on, let's go.
Can I see?
No, let's go.
But I'm looking here with Iris.
No, Iris she wants to be here with Daddy, so let's go.
Drink
Come
juice.
I
Get
wanna
ready.
be here with Daddy.
Daddy's doing something right now. Come on.
You go,
I
sweetie.
wanna be here though.
Come on. We gotta get ready.
For what? For what?
For the day.
No. I'm not going.
Yeah, come on. Oh, no. After you hurt yourself, you gotta be careful, okay? Come on.
I'm
gonna say it one more time.
Oh, 30 seconds.
And then y'all are grounded. If
30
y'all don't listen.
seconds
You hear
for
mommy?
what?
Okay? I'm gonna say one more time.
30
One more
seconds
chance.
for what?
Get out.
Nice family, bro. Thanks, bro. Yeah, they're funny.
Come on.
Alright, let's see.
Go brush your teeth.
Let's see. We go to Nas. I know Nas be moving crazy when news come out. Girl. So what time frame are you watching for, Jason? On like the 5 minute? You're looking for like a 5 minute MSS basically. So like if it closed below here, take that high, come back in it, and then go. Girl. Is it good? Oh, I miss my babies. I think we're going out there next week, I believe so. Yeah, watching the 5 minute, though that fair value gap right above the potential OB could be problematic. No, facts. Yeah, we'll see. Everything is moving very interesting. Yeah, you talking about this one? Yeah. Oh, good catch. You almost dropped it. Yeah, so if the 5 minute shifts down, I'm shorting it. If the 15 shifts down, I'm shorting it. So that's all I'm waiting for, really. Gold's not giving me what I want to see. It is melting. It might come down and fill, or it might tap this or fill this, and then push back up. I don't know if it's likely to make a. I don't know if it's likely to make a new high of the day now though. It's just so down. This would have been so nice, bro. Like this long in here. What time did it happen at? 5:30, of course. Then it gives this, and then yeah, that would have been. Oh, don't scratch, don't scratch.
It's not funny, Eleanor. This is not funny. Go brush your teeth. Go brush your teeth.
Mommy, does cavities hurt?
Yes, cavities hurt. Ask your
My
sister.
pair orders at this high
She had a bunch.
since it went through there so hard. Okay.
She had a lot of cavities.
So does anybody have any questions? Questions about anything? Or anybody want to talk about anything? Doesn't have to be like trading related. Oh, oh, oh. Girl, you'll drop your juice. Yeah, why are you and the baby both bald? She's actually not bald. Look, she has a lot of hair. Look. She has a lot of hair. See? See? She is not bald. I am bald because I had eczema. And it messed my hair follicles up. So now I'm a baldy. But I'm actually not bald right now. I have a little stubble because I shaved it. But if I were to if I actually shave it, I'll be bald. Ooh. I hope so. I hope so. What? That we come next week? Is that what you're saying? I think there's a latency on the stream. I'm gonna have to try to fix that to make it to where there's none. But yeah, you see how gold and euro are moving together? Like euro's dropping, gold's dropping, and then Nas and Bitcoin. Oh, well, they were going up. Yeah, I want to short this. Are you allowed to play music? I'm not sure. I think I can play music, but it'll like it'll flag it. And I'm not sure if it mutes it or if it makes it to where I just can't monetize it. She look kind of sleepy. Let me get some yawn emotes in the chat. I'm trying to decide if I want to short and put my stop here or here. Here or here. This should be safe here. Yeah, I should be able to just put it above there. If it taps me back in though. If it does close below, because this girl falling asleep. She's falling asleep. They go to sleep while sitting up. It's crazy.
She falling asleep? Are you tired, baby? Let me take a picture. She always falls asleep so easy with you. I was trying to take my allergy medication, right? And I just dropped it in the trash can.
Ooh, tastes good.
No,
Sounds good.
I didn't take it back out. I got a new one.
Oh, okay.
No.
That's alright. Time shit. Don't waste money. I respect it. You gotta use your own browser on my business and my bookmark tabs.
Every time you go to a new thing, my bookmark tabs show.
Oh, really?
Yeah, let me show you. Hold on. See? All my business.
Shoo. What is shorting? Oh, so you can she sleep.
Here.
So you can can make money on it dropping, because you can make money whether it goes up or down. It just depends on your positioning. So like, if you were to short it, you'd make money if it dropped, and then longing it is when you make money when it goes up. So you can make money either side. You just gotta know which way it's gonna go, and then where the invalidation point is. So like, if we close below here, I'm gonna short, and then I'm gonna put my stop up here, because if it goes above here, it's probably gonna go higher.
She's behind you.
You're out.
Did we turn this fan on?
No, it's fine. Did I answer that? Did I answer that clearly? I can explain it in a different way if you need me to. I kind of want to short it now, because it already wicked that low. If it closes below there, look at US 30. All right, give me a second.
What the heck? Come here.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I don't know the technical terms. What do you have any, like, did you want me to go in more depth on like what shorting is, or do you have other questions? Because I doubt there's any questions you can ask that I couldn't answer. That should look like shit. Interesting though. Yeah, trading is. This shit's been moving like shit. Look at this. That looks disgusting. Like, what the hell? Just going sideways. What time frame, Jason? Here's the hour. 15. 5 shifted down. I was looking at the 15. Okay. Oh, is you like using this as an order block? Is that what you're saying? Cause I know you said you use order blocks. I don't trade that way. I understand how people trade that way, but I don't. I need for me to get in anything, I'd need to close below one of these lows. Yeah, and it took ONS high. Oh, okay. Yeah. So this close below here should be enough, because usually ONS goes pretty well with the 5-minute. Unless it's just gonna run higher, then I mean, yeah. Oh, we closed below? Cool. I shorted prematurely. I'm short here. My stop is here. So yeah. The arrow looks solid. 15. 5. Watch this shit stop me too. Yeah, so this, I'm in this trade right now. How's your trading been going, Jason? I've been trading like shit. I ain't gonna lie. Not been trading very well. Okay. Sheesh. That's a pretty good rejection. Bitcoin playing around. Jesus. Shit is flying. Bitcoin say, yeah, by the way, I'm shifting down to shift back up and stop you out. Just letting you know. Sheesh. Yep, I got stopped. Bro, this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, this shit is hilarious. Let me see. You playing the Interstellar soundtrack? That was my entry from yesterday. Where your stuff is? Yeah, I've been back and forth in my trading. Done for today. Yeah, this shit. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, I was gonna play it, but I feel like that's low key. That's probably whatchamacallit too. Um, what you call it? rated? Yeah, yeah. I got into EU long once it filled the hour gap. Let's see. Oh, like right here? That's probably a good trade. Set a TP. Set a TP, because you never set the TPs. This shit is flying. Wait. Oh my god, bro. Yeah. Probably not touching gold. Definitely not touching Nas. You got me over here looking at my mutual funds, not as exciting. which mutual funds do you have? Man, watch this end up closing down here. That's just gonna be so annoying, bro. Or it's gonna fly. Either one. Ooh. Ooh. Sheesh. Yeah, shifted down, I shorted it, loss. Shifted down, I shorted it, loss. Let's see. That EU loan looks pretty solid though, I'm not gonna lie. The only thing, the 4 hours a downtrend, but the daily's still an uptrend, and then we took the previous day's high, so it could at least give a nice like push up. I would not be surprised. These kids fighting too early, I hear them. Oh, they only have a daily. Oh. Oh. Daily, weekly, monthly. I don't think I've ever looked at a mutual fund. So does it just pays you like a certain amount, right? Like you have the stock for it or you invested in it? I think that's two different things. Yo, these gaps in here crazy. It's a collection of different stocks and I reinvest the earnings. Oh, okay. That's cool. Does it have a dividend or anything? Shit, busted. hop off soon. Probably go make some eggs. Ugh. Wait to see if this Wait to see if this gives me another setup. So I only have one more left for the day, so not trying to force it. Because if I can at least hit one a day really is all I need. If I can hit at least one out of the 4, then I'll at least have a positive day. It's my IRA, so I don't pull dividends, but maybe some do. Oh, okay. Yeah, because I know some stocks have dividends and you can reinvest those. Alright, yeah. I think I'm gonna end the live. Appreciate everybody watching the stream. I don't have a set schedule for when I'll be streaming, but just make sure you have your notifications on and stuff. But if I do stream, it'll usually be like in the morning, around or like before New York Open. But yeah, appreciate the support. I'll catch y'all later.